Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ProfitLy review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this software called ProfitLy. So this is the ProfitLy review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 8 minutes long. And finally, we have the login access of the ProfitLy software, so you can see the dashboard. So we'll cover all these three things one by one. Starting with the sales page, it says here, attention, profit instantly by tapping into this much billion email users worldwide. Brand new one-click technology lets you drive hordes of free buyer traffic to any offer and make real profit by sending emails in next 48 seconds. Works smoothly even if you're a beginner with zero tech skills or experience. Tap into huge untapped this much email users today. First to the market traffic and leads technology that works in 4 easy clicks. No prior tech or marketing experience needed. Live the laptop lifestyle, obviously. Fully cloud-based, nothing to download or install. Newbie friendly, easy to use with easy to understand video training. Limited time commercial license included. Get started today for a one-time fee. And you know how it works, right? So the fees is around 13 or maybe 17 bucks. Let's check. $17. Okay. So the front end will cost you $17, and then you have these upgrades. We'll show you the these details. You can see here these are the upgrades. Okay. Now what is this all about? This is saying you will be getting some leads. So you can see this feature called get leads. From here you will be getting some email addresses, and then you can click on offers and you can select something from Varia Plus and jarvis, or click back to promote and send emails. Okay, send emails to these leads, and if they buy from your emails you will get some sales and you will make some commissions. Sounds too good to be true, because it is so good to be true. Okay, the leads which they're talking about, they're cold leads. Cold lead means that you have no relation with them. They don't know you, you don't know them. You are trying to send them email from out of the blue. And first of all, how will you send emails to them? Okay, so let's say I give you 10,000 email addresses from Google, right? I go onto Google, I find 10,000 email addresses. How will you send email to those 10,000 people? Your email will go to spam. And what they're talking about here is by adding your email autoresponder. So if you click on email API, you will have the option to add get response and send grid. Now these companies don't let anybody to send cold emails. Okay, so I will come to the dashboard in a moment. Right now let's talk about the sales page. Okay, so this is all you are supposed to do here. Get some offers from Varia Plus and jarvis, and get some leads from here, and then send emails. How will you send emails? I am not able to understand, because I don't think you have an autoresponder which allows cold emailing. And even if you have such autoresponder which allows cold emailing, your open rates and click rates will be disastrous. Okay, so everything will be going to spam, and hardly anybody will click on your links. Okay, so let me see what we have here. Right, so let's get to the bottom of the sales page. Do not believe on any of these screenshots. You will make nothing with this. Okay, it's quite obvious. You have to have high quality targeted visitors or email subscribers who are actually interacting with you, and they know you as a brand, and then only they will buy from you. So I guess there's nothing much on the sales page here. It's only some useless or same frequently asked questions. Is it easy and blah blah blah. Yeah, everything is easy. Do you get money back guarantee 30 days? Will I get results? No, you will not. Will I get support? You will not. Does ProfitLy work on Mac and PC? It does. Okay, done. We are done with the sales page. Okay, let's proceed to the demo video. What I will do is I will leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video somewhere here. So when you go below my YouTube video, click on show more, find this link that says watch watch ProfitLy demo here. Click on that link, and that link will take you to this demo video. Okay, and when you are below my video, also make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's free. Okay, subscribe, it's free. Like, it's free. Do all that. And if you want to support this channel or ask any questions, or you want to leave your super comments, you can use the thanks button and leave your colorful super comments. Okay, subscribe, free. Like is free. Okay, now it also says here make money with traffic jarvis. The only reason I am recording these videos over and over again, these reviews, because I want to show you the ugly reality. The ugly reality is that You have to work for your money, okay? There's no software on the internet profitably or maybe harmlessly or whatever, okay? If you buy anything from the internet, especially a software, nothing will make you money. What makes money is your hard work, okay? The way I am recording this YouTube video is making money for me. All right, do you want to know how? Because I am not here to sell you something unnecessarily. You may or you may not buy this, okay? I'm not sure if I'm going to leave my links for this product or not. I don't know, okay? It's on my mood. But yes, because I am making money just by doing this review. So you are watching this video, you must have seen some ads in this YouTube video, okay? Those ads make me money, and that's why I keep making these videos every day. First thing, to make money for myself. Second thing, to help you to not waste your money, okay? So if you want to know how to make money on YouTube for the rest of your life, then you can check out this link that says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only for your YouTube channel, and then your YouTube channel will go into the review, and within a month your YouTube channel will be monetized. After that, your job is simply to upload videos, make money, and grow your channel, okay? So we'll come back to all these things. First of all, subscribe and like, and let's go to the demo video here. Let's maximize it. And what else do we have here? So you can see the dashboard. I have shown you the dashboard already, okay? So what to show it, nothing new, right? So these are the leads. I'll show you the example how to get these leads, okay? And then these are the offers you have to choose from Ria Plus and create some. I think I can show you all of this in the dashboard, okay, in a moment. So I will leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video. You can go and watch the demo video, okay? Now let me show you all these features one by one. So if you come here, dashboard is a dashboard. Let's click on get leads, right? So if you click on get leads here and type in a keyword, maybe type in my keyword, maybe sex, right? If I type in the keyword here, let's analyze. Let's see what we get. So I have typed the keyword and I got this list of email addresses, okay? Now there are, what happened? What just happened? Right, so what do we do here? So you can see here, these are those random email addresses. What will you do with this? I don't know. I typed in sex and these are the email addresses, right? Let's type in something else. Let's type in fuck you, right? Let's get some more email addresses. Analyze. Okay, we got some more here. Yandex.ru. I mean, what is the relevance of these emails? I mean, I don't know if they're scraping these emails from Google or wherever. It only shows 50 emails for one keyword, okay? And maybe what else? Make money online. That's what you want me to type, right? You want me to type this, right? There you go. Analyze. Okay. Right, we got some more email, okay? And you will have like 50 emails here as well. So what are we supposed to do, okay? So let's say you have these email addresses. These are cold leads, okay? You can export them, you can download them. Then do you have an autoresponder? Whom will you email? Maybe, I don't know, right? So if you email it from your Gmail account, there will be too much manual work. Also, there's no guarantee how many emails will go into spam and how many will hit the inbox, okay? I think it's madness. Okay? If you want to do email marketing, I'll show you in the end how you can do email marketing without buying this, without doing any of this, okay? And then we have page builder offers. I have shown you how to choose deals from Ria Plus, JVZoo, and page builder is how to create your new pages. Let's see here. What do we get? Title. I'm going to do all this, right? You can go and create a page here in the subscriber manager here. This is something to do with email marketing, I guess, okay? Email integration, just go and add your get response and send grade. Bonus, who cares? Upgrade, who cares? And trainings and everything, okay? So we're done. Literally, we're done. So will you buy this? Probably you will. I will never, okay? So if you have to go and sell these products on JVZoo and Ria Plus, it is better to go and start a YouTube channel and do reviews like me, okay? Instead of sending emails to people who don't even know you and you don't know them, and half of the email addresses here which you are getting, they will be like non-existent. They will bounce back. You will never know that those emails have been suspended or deleted by now, okay? So I think this is not going to work. All right, this is again the madness, midtown madness, okay? This is no way near to making real money on the internet. Making real money requires your manual work and inputs and some value. You have to provide some value, okay? Because if this was so easy, I could have just uploaded this demo video instead of me explaining everything. Okay, why am I explaining everything here? Why am I putting my input into this video? Because I'm providing some value. Okay, so you're listening to me and you see my point. You see my point of view. Okay, so ProfitLy, again, it's just another Ria Plus software, and I don't take it seriously. You don't have to either. Okay, will this make money for you? I don't think so. This will not make any money. Okay, demo video, just go and watch. And these are the features. Okay, so these leads, I think they are next to useless. So I don't think these leads will be useless. These leads I don't think these leads will be useful to you. Okay, and here we have the OTOs. This is front end, this is OTO number 1, this is OTO number 2, 3, 4. There you go. Okay, so just go and read everything in your own time. I don't have much time for this. So yeah, bottom line is I will not buy this because I don't buy anything from Raya Plus. Okay, so I guess you can save your money too. See, if you wanna make money online, you have to work. Understand? There's no software. You don't need this. You don't need this. What you need is just get up. Go and make a YouTube video. Okay, make these reviews. In your reviews, below your YouTube video, you can leave your affiliate link, and people will be watching your videos. If they watch your videos and they buy something from your link below, then you make some money, free money. Okay, because making YouTube videos is absolutely free. Okay, so here let's talk about the serious part, right? Make sure you subscribe, and now I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.